Welcome. In today's video, we are exploring the ABM Signal Monitor template. This workflow automates the process of tracking new funding and startup increases, specifically tailored to help you keep a close eye on your target industry. The workflow follows a straightforward sequence: page navigation, pop-up detection and closure, and scrolling to the recently funded area. We then implement a loop to iterate through a specified number of pages, ensuring comprehensive data extraction for our monitor. The agent is configured to locate the primary data table and execute a pagination sequence. By navigating through the table's pages, the agent performs a deep scrape, capturing a high volume of leads or signals rather than a single-page snapshot. Reviewing the Run tab is a critical step in the process. It allows us to confirm that the agent followed the predefined instructions perfectly. With the steps verified and the output confirmed, we can now move on to the n8n workflow. As always, I've added a few notes for you in case you need a guide, and the BrowserAct template name is clearly defined as well. We start by defining our target industry and then scraping the table data. Now that we have both the raw data and the target industry, we bring in the AI. This AI analyzes the inputs to determine if there has been any funding within our specific target industry. If a match is found, it sends the results straight to the output, formatted specifically for a Slack channel. We then use a split node to break down the Slack channel array and handle the posts individually. Here is a sample output delivered to the team. When the system detects funding within the specified target industry from the raw data, it generates this concise notification. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and I'll see you next time.